my channel. I hope you all are doing great, amazing and fab. Today's video I'm gonna be sharing you guys how I define and fill in my brows. So one of my subscribers, she requested me for this video, so yep, here I am today. And yep, without any further I explain you guys, let's begin with the eyebrow tutorial. So yeah, peace. The very first thing that I like to do on my eyebrows is comb my eyebrows. Now if you don't have a spoolie, you can use old mascara wand, but this is a must-have tool for eyebrows. So yeah, I comb my eyebrows. That's what I'm doing here. Next thing, I define and fill in my brows. I'm using Maybelline Fashion Brow Cream Pencil in the shade Dark. So when you are starting to define and fill in your brows, always make sure to start off from the center of your eyebrows, not from the start of your eyebrows, because you will have really harsh lines going on, so it does not look natural. Just follow your natural shape of your eyebrows, you will be good to go. So what I like to do is always remember guys, if you're defining and filling your brows, always remember to outline your eyebrows underneath your eyebrows. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. You can see what I'm doing. What I like to do is I outline my eyebrows from the upper portion of my eyebrows, like, hope you understand. So after outlining my eyebrows, I fill in my eyebrows with the same pencil. I don't use any extra product. Next, what I like to do is, after defining and fill in my brows, I move on to the front side of my eyebrow. You have to be very light-handed when you're working on to the front side of your, start of your eyebrow guys, or else it will look unnatural. Yeah, it will look very fake. So yeah, you have to be very light-handed. You can see where I'm holding the eyebrow pencil. So yeah, you do have to go very light-handed. What I like to do is I draw the upward stroke lines onto the front side of my eyebrows. Just look at the difference that it makes guys. It makes a huge difference to your eyebrows. Next, I do the same thing onto the left side of my eyebrows. I'm gonna outline, fill, and next, what I like to do is I take my spoolie or a mascara wand and I settle my eyebrows. to get the edgy, sharp, well defined eyebrows, what I like to do is I take my concealer. I'm using Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 10 light. I take this concealer onto the angled brush. You don't have to have angled only, you can have a flat brush. A little bit of this concealer onto my brush, and I apply onto the upper part of my eyebrows, like the where I have done some mistakes. If I have done some mistakes, it will, it will just conceal it out. It will give a more edgy and sharp look. Well, that's pretty much. It's very easy, very simple, guys. It makes a huge difference to the whole of your face. Eyebrows makes a really huge difference to your face. Your face will look naked. Yeah, your makeup is imperfect without eyebrows, guys. Trust me, guys, it makes a huge difference to your face, to your makeup. Even if you are not doing anything to your face, like even if you're not applying any foundation or a compact, you just fill in your brows and apply some lipstick and your face will look well defined. So yeah, it makes a huge difference. It's very easy, very simple, guys. You don't have to it's not a rocket science. You just need a little bit of practice. So yeah, if you keep on practicing, you will be perfect. So guys, you don't need to have a lot of products. You can choose anything which suits you, like eyebrow pencil or eyebrow powder. A little bit of products, guys. You don't need a lot of products to define and fill in your brows. Always try to maintain a proper shape of your eyebrow, guys. Always tweeze and pluck your eyebrows, and yeah, keep it well maintained. That's pretty much for today. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, then please do not forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. Please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet done. The subscribe button is right on the screen. Hit on the subscribe button. It may not hurt you, but it will definitely mean a lot to me. Also hit on the bell button so that you get notified every time I post new videos or updates. See you guys super soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye guys.